Don Dada to the line, Don Dada to the line, Don Dada, Don Dada.
With this guy, Don Dada. Boy, me I won't go eat or I'll take up. I'll try him again. So come on to this project now. No bad. Which kind of wahala? Which kind of Don Dada with this one? I'm not saying a woman who don't go carry. I know.
Oh my God.
Hey, now what is that? What is that? Hey, what is that?
Oh boy, bros, calm down. Bros, calm down first. Hey, oh boy, guy. Now dead now I escape now like this. I just escaped dead, bros.
Eh?
Oh boy, you don't know what happened, producer. You don't know what happened. Oh boy, now soldier, producer. Now soldier.
What you do, soldier? What happened to soldier?
Mabasi. Oh, when I soldier. Bros. Producer. No wahala. See, guy. Me I dey on my own. You know say me I be makeup artist now.
I know say they do makeup. What happen?
Oh, when I one woman call me. The man call me. Oh, when I soldier.
Oh boy, calm down, talk to me now. What happened to soldier? What happened?
Hey, Mabasi. The man call me. She called me say make I come do makeup for her. Oh, producer. I don't know say that woman na soldier wife. I don't know say her husband na soldier. I don't know. Hey, Mabasi. Oh boy. There I go. Make I go do makeup. You know me now as a chap guy. I dey collect my money before I go do makeup for person.
Continue.
I do makeup.
But you which kind of makeup you go do for the woman?
Oh my bros, you dey talk like this. You know me na classic makeup I dey do. Oh my God. When I finish, I discharge. Hey, Mabasi. I can't see my phone dey ring, my phone dey ring. I see say na the woman dey call me again. As I answer, the woman tell me say make I come back come do for her sister. Bros, as a chap guy, I know they done now.
Continue.
Hey, Mabasi. There I go. Oh, but as I just reach this house, as I enter the gate, oh, but the kind of soldiers where I see.
Oh my God.
Bros, soldiers just full everywhere. And they hold me. Before you know, bros, they say soldier man come back from work. You don't understand the kind of makeup I do for his wife. You know recognize his wife.
Chai.
Hey, producer. Oh, well, now God now save me. The first slap where they give me, I don't even know how they come up for that gate.
Jesus!
Oh, well, and then I miss my phone.
Now wow. The makeup uncle where it is. Show make I see.
I tell you, my phone don't lost. Correct. The picture there for my WhatsApp status. Just check and you go see I'm for there.
No wahala, make I check. Hey. Now wow, Don Dada. What you can go do the woman?
Jesus is Lord!
Don Dada.
Don Dada to the line, Don Dada.
See, my brother, as you watch that video, you know like oh yeah, click the like button, the thumbs up, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Correct guy. Don Dada say so.
Don Dada to the line, Don Dada.